Don't download ClearStreet app before watching this. If you're thinking about downloading ClearStreet, wait a second, most people get this wrong. They assume it's just another trading platform, but the surprising truth is that ClearStreet is designed primarily for active and institutional traders, not casual investors. Jumping in without understanding that can be risky. ClearStreet offers direct market access with ultra-low latency trading, meaning it's built for high-frequency trades and complex strategies. If you're a casual investor looking to buy and hold stocks, this app might actually complicate things rather than simplify them. Many users get overwhelmed by the sheer number of features, from advanced order types to real-time analytics. The platform also offers deep market data and margin trading capabilities. While that sounds appealing, margin trading amplifies both gains and losses. For example, a small 5% swing in stock price while trading on margin could result in a 10% loss or more. That's why understanding risk management is crucial before using ClearStreet. Security and regulation are solid points in its favor. The platform is fully regulated and encrypts sensitive data, which makes it safer than many smaller trading apps. But even with strong security, the complexity of trading tools means mistakes can be costly if you aren't experienced. In conclusion, don't download ClearStreet if you're looking for a simple, beginner-friendly investing app. It's designed for experienced traders who need speed, advanced analytics, and complex trading options. For casual investors, simpler apps like Robinhood, Webull, or Fidelity Mobile may provide better results without overwhelming you. Understanding your own goals, risk tolerance, and trading experience is key to avoiding mistakes and making the platform work for you. ClearStreet can be powerful, but only if you know exactly what you're getting into.